get close to the window.
Such a trash.
Oh, there's a babby one. There's a bambino. This is true.
Oh, hey, Cameron, that's wicked zoom.
Yeah, I told you I had a good zoom.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know, right? Oh, there was a baby holding the parent's tail. Oh, there's twins as well.
They're twins.
Twins, Basil.
Definitely twins.
Can't say me is.
3 minutes apart.
Mike, that's my new nickname for Lucy as well. Twins, Basil. Twins.
I think I need explaining.
Well, you know in Austin Powers, there's a bit where he's with twins.
I'm not sure I've seen all
And
this.
he goes, twins, Basil, twins. And it turns out that Lucy's dad is called Basil. Basil Birch.
And Lucy says twins in the same way.
Yeah. You can always call her Austina Powers. Doesn't work. Basil Brush worked.